Thank you so much for joining us here on the Erin Cruz Show. We have a wonderful show tonight. So many candidates. We are headlining, not at the end of our show, like many people will have you wait till the end. No, no, no. We need to get you guys on the road, sharing with friends, reaching the people about this candidate as soon as possible. We have on with us tonight Judge Bailey. He is running for California Attorney General. He's going up and down the state. You are a busy man, Judge.
I'm trying to be.
You are.
There's only, 22 days left?
Right,
If I could work through the night, I would.
Right. Well, you need your rest, too. How is the campaign going? Are you meeting a lot of people? I mean,
The campaign and what's happening. We're here in Sacramento at Univision. We have a interview coming up this evening, so got a little bit of noise in the background, but that's part of what a campaign is.
Right.
There's always a little noise from your opponents.
Exactly. But it's great to hear that you're on, this is on the internet, but you are pushed into the homes of Californians. People are promoting you, at least hearing your message and sending it out there to Californians. Now, you said that money is an issue. You have 22 days.
We want to be on radio and TV wherever we can.
Right.
On the
advertising.
internet.
You need advertising money. So where can people go to contribute to your campaign financially?
Well, you can go to my website.
Google. I mean, people can Google, but really what it sounds like is you need to be able to get out there and also get your message out there on the TV, on the radio. Are you helping with the gas tax repeal? Getting out that
yes,
message
I am.
as well? So,
yes.
Reaching the people is vital. It just is vital.
Right.
Now, you're running for AG. We currently have an AG that isn't doing his job.
That is really true. And maybe worse than just not doing his job, he's actually working against Californians and the values that we as Californians in the 8.5 years as a judge on the Superior Court, my focus is on California and California issues, California problems. The issue with this incumbent is that he's focused on every tweet that comes out of Washington. And every time the president sends a tweet out, he thinks it deserves a lawsuit. Well, that may be good for a Washington politician, but frankly, it's not good for the people of California.
It just isn't right. It's not warranting either some of the things I believe he's pushing through or putting through or putting forward even. You talk about California, you talk about Californians and wanting to serve and how they're written. The gas tax title was written wrong.
Well, and
right?
it was wrong because it was deceptive. Even a Sacramento judge who heard the case found that the way the ballot title was written was deceptive. And that's the problem with these politicians in Sacramento. They have, they don't think anything about lying to the public. And they're to do justice. And that means writing ballot titles and summaries that, are
Makes sense.
Understandable.
I mean, makes sense to the everyday person, right? They should be understandable whether you're, 21 and at a very basic knowledge level or very well skilled and well versed in law. I mean, it should fit the spectrum, right? Now, this guy, the gas tax was written wrong. You're going to be able to be in charge of how those ballot initiatives are put forth. And you say you're going to do it in I don't even want to say it's a left versus right thing. It's a right versus wrong thing, right? It's lawful. It's what's right, what's proper. What other things has he done which you will be doing better in serving Californians? Because I don't think people understand the impact of this position.
Right. This Attorney General has sued the federal government some 44 times. And, frankly, many of these lawsuits are borderline frivolous. For example, he sued the federal government to stop the border wall. he sued him on issues that Congress had exempted the federal government from.
Right,
and
right.
what we end up with is a lawsuit that it's at a point in time we're going to lose it, and we're going to have spent large sums of money.
Right, and wasting Californians' hard-earned money. You know, I'm so glad that you're running for AG, Judge Bailey. Make some calls for Judge Bailey. You know, because that's what it is. And then also support him, because he's going to be putting out ads on the radio. He needs to reach every home, ladies and gentlemen, in California. And they need to hear that too. It's not left and right. It's right versus wrong and what's good for California. Well, thank you, soon-to-be Attorney General Bailey, for coming on the Erin Cruz Show. We know you have a very busy night ahead. We want you to be able to get out there and campaign. Thank you again for coming on the show to give us an update.
Thank you.
God bless.
Mm-hmm.